there it is, the golden play button from YouTube. Thanks to each and every one of you guys for all your love and support. It's been a great journey, a very long one indeed. And thanks for sticking with us and supporting us throughout this journey. It's been a real pleasure. And to all the other subscribers who've joined us after the million too, thank you all so very much. Continue to love and support home cooking. And I will definitely continue to do my best and share great recipes with all of you.